Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new, you are very welcome to our channel. So today guys, I'm bringing to you Nigerian buns recipe. Okay, this is my go-to recipe at any time, and it's really savory, it's nice, it's delicious. I would really appreciate if you all can give it a try. So first thing first, I'm going to mix my buns mix. Of course, you know I always try to narrow down all of the job, mostly when I'm making it for maybe second time or third time. So with this mix, you can always keep your mix, and then whenever you are ready to make it, you just know, okay, you are not going to start mixing up all over again. You are just going to get your mix and get the necessary added ingredients, and up you go. Okay, so guys, for these ingredients, do well to check the description box. I will do well to add all of the ingredients and measurement down there, so please check to get it accurately. Okay, so let me just introduce you manually to all of the ingredients I'm adding into this jar. I'm adding my flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, cinnamon powder, and then milk flavor. Okay, as I said before, check the description box. All of the measurements will be there for you to use. So in this jar, all I did is mix the all of the dry ingredients, all of the non-perishable ingredients. I mixed it up, I shake my jar, and I set it aside. Okay, so yeah, this is me adding the milk flavor. So this is the same milk flavor I use for CHINCHIN. Okay, so it's just the sachet one you can get from bake shop. It's sold for less than 200 naira per sachet, because 10 pieces is like 1,500 naira, which is the carton price. 10 pieces per carton, and that is 1,500. So this one sachet could go for maybe 150 naira or 200 naira, depend. So yeah, I'm just trying to show you. I have my full cream milk, but instead I put my milk seasoning, sorry, my milk flavor, because if you use full cream milk for this, it might not last long on the shelf. You might not like enjoy it maybe when you use it 2 weeks later, but with the milk flavor, this is going to last. It's just milk flavor. It adds this really nice smell, nice taste, but then it's non-perishable, unlike the full cream milk, which can easily just get evaporated, and then it will not taste the same, and it will spoil your mix. So back on the table, I've gone ahead to bring the rest of my ingredients, which consist of fresh lime. You can use orange, you can use lemon, but I have lime in my refrigerator, so I went for lime. All I need from this is the zest. Okay, you just need this acidic kind of feel, the flavor, the fragrance, whatever it is. You just need it in your mix. Trust me, if you haven't added any zest to your mix buns before, give it a try and thank me later. So yeah, I'm just making 2 cups. Okay, remember I mixed 3 cups plus all of the added ingredients, so I just measured 2 cups from our buns mix, and I added 2 tablespoons of melted margarine. Okay, so I'm going to give this a good mix with my hands. I'm going to combine the mixture, the dry ingredients mixture, and the margarine, the melted margarine. I'm going to give this a good stir. I'm going to combine these two together until I get a feel like breadcrumbs. Okay, so just the same thing you will do when you are making meat pie, but remember now that the margarine is melted, you can use butter if that's what you prefer to use. So now I have 1 egg whisk. Okay, so let me tell you one thing about this egg. If you are making 3 cups, go ahead and use the same 1 egg, because that is the actual measurements you are going to see in the description box. But because I don't want to make too much, I don't want to waste it, so I still went for 2 cups, but I still used my 1 egg, but I went for the smallest egg in my rack. So now I'm going to add my lemon zest. That is simply you grating the back of your lemon, your lime, or your orange. Okay, all you need is the zest. The flavor from the zest is really nice. It gives it this like taste. It gives it the flavor. There's this way it just makes the puff the buns goes from 0 to 100 at once. Okay, so you want to give this a good mix, just normal. Okay, and now you want to start adding your liquid, which is either you're using a milk water or you're using plain water. At this point I'm using plain water. Okay, so let me make this clear. If you want your buns to be very rich, okay, like you still just want to add more milk, go ahead and use milk instead of water. But if you are using powder milk, you can as well go ahead and add your powder milk now before adding any liquid. I hope that is clear enough. Okay, so you can add more of your full cream milk if you are making for home use. You want it to be more rich for your kids, yeah, go ahead and add more milk now. But for the mixture that you are going to be saving in your jar, please do not add full cream milk because it's going to make it get stale easily and quick. Okay, so you just want to add your water gradually. Trust me, you don't want to add it at once because you want to control the consistency, and also you want to easily mix everything and make sure the sugar and the salt, everything is well mixed in here. Okay, so this is me trying to make this work with my spatula, but then I went ahead and used my hands to get a better consistency. So this is me just going around getting that well mixed. Okay, so go on and use your hands if your spatula isn't giving you the quick results that you want. So yeah, I'm just using my hands to do all of that work, and guess what, because I'm adding my water gradually, I was able to control all of the water inputs I'm using. Okay, so do that. Make sure you're adding your water gradually so you don't end up with runny mix. But even if you end up with runny mix, you are not going to be adding plain flour. You can see the good thing, the good reason you have your buns mixed by your side. So even if you end up with too much water, just go ahead and add a little bit of your buns mix and you are good to go. So guys, that is that. I'm just going to continue mixing until I get the consistency I'm going to be showing you. So you can see what we got, not too thick, not too light, just this consistency is what you need. I will mention again, go to the description box to get exact measurement that I use, including the measurements for water or milk, whatever you are using. So yeah, this is what you need. You don't need it too runny, you don't need it too thick, you just want it in this way. This is because if it's too thick, your buns is going to come out looking like stone. It's going to be strong. I don't know if that's the consistency you are going for. Of course, do well to make it thick, but me, I want it to be very nice because my kid is going to enjoy it. So yeah, I have my already heated pan and oil on the stove, and I'm just going to drop my buns one after the other. Guess what, guys, when you are making buns, you don't really need to control the shape or even try to be perfect with your cutting or try to make it look clean or fine in any way. This is because the moment your buns land in the oil, it's going to clean up, it's going to give itself a little neat shape that it can. And if there is any crack in your buns, that is what you need. Like a good buns has crack, okay, you know those fine cracks that gives you the hope that, oh, this thing is crunchy, it's nice, a good buns has crack. So don't even bother yourself, go ahead and enjoy viewing that. Okay, so like I mentioned, you don't need to be perfect with your cutting, you don't need to make it clean, you don't need to make it fine. Just drop that ball in your oil and it's going to come out really perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to do all of that. You can as well go and count how many balls I got from 2 cups of our buns mix. This is medium size, by the way. It's not small, it's not very big, is the medium size. So everything you see in this pan is everything that I got from the 2 cups of buns mix that I made. So guys, is this something you want to try? Do you want to save, maybe you want to mix your buns mix and just keep in your kitchen counter for whenever you need it? This is actually a business friendly recipe. Like, it's savory, it's good. Another thing I forgot to mention is the sugar portion. Okay, if you are a sweet tooth person, go ahead and add more sugar, but you see the quarter cup of sugar I added is what I need. It's like the very perfect taste that you need for your buns. You need it to be savory. Mostly if you are going to be taking this with any soft drink or any sugary drink at all, you need your buns to be savory. You don't need it to be like a sweet thing. You just need it to be something that your kids are going to eat, and you are going to be rest assured they are consuming something nice. Okay, so but if you're a sweet tooth person, go ahead and do your thing, add more sugar. You can even add sugar to the skin after frying. Do you guys? So guys, this is it. I'm frying it. You can see how perfect it's coming up. Like I said, you don't need to be perfect when you're cutting. You can see how clean this is looking. So this is buns for you. This is a very nice buns. Let me know if you'll be trying it in the comment section. Also comment below, let me know any of my recipe that you have tried, how it came out. Do you like it? What do you think? Should I improve more? Just let me know in the comment section. I'm open to your request, I'm open to your suggestion. Let me know so I can maybe adjust whatever I'm doing that needs to be adjusted. Yeah. All right guys, so enjoy the video.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them